got great. All right. So let's see here. For number one, could somebody please read the question? You see two situations here. What is this plot called first?
Graph.
Yeah, graph, right? The x-y graph, right? The Cartesian plot, right? And what do you see on here? What type of object is this?
A rectangle.
Yeah, rectangle. And then you see this arrow represents what?
The reflection, the transformation.
Some type of transformation. We don't know what because it started here and it ended up as this post image. This is the pre, and what's the other image called?
Post.
What is it again?
Post.
Post, right? All right, so now that we know that, could somebody please, Riley, I want you to read the question for us.
The picture above shows a reflection over which line?
Okay, so we already been told that it's a reflection that's D, x is equal to -3, right? Can you prove to me, Riley, prove to me why that is the case?
Because on the original, it's opposite. One line, one of the points is on 3, 2.
Okay, one of the points is on, is it 3 or -3?
-3.
-3.
And then the other one reflected over it, but it's still on the x-axis.
Okay, I hear a lot of what you're saying, and I want to make sure that everybody is clear on what Ralia just said. She said that this whole image, if you look at the end here, this left side, it's on the -3, +2 coordinates point right here, right? And then it's looking like in the post image, where's this same edge located? On the x-axis. Who said that? Let me see your mouth so I can see and hear you. -5? Okay, so something definitely happened, right? This end ended up being represented at -5. So what happened here? So apparently, since they told us in the question that it is a what? We already know what type of translation it is. It's a reflection. So basically,
It reflects over -3.
over -3. And what direction did it reflect in? To the left, which is an x-axis, right? So that's why when you draw it out, if you can do this with me, we're going to go 2 over this way, right? I'm going to make that a little darker with this pen. 2 over this way, right? Why did I go over 2 from this point? Because the distance of the rectangular side here is 2. Good. 1, 2. So from this point, I'm going to go 1, 2 in the opposite direction. I'm going to go the same length up and the same length across to complete that, right? And I'm going to shade this area in. Can you do that with me? So now what happened is that I think I was doing this with Daniel. He had his elbow like this, and so he was in this direction. And Dr. Jackson did a wonderful display where her foot was in one position, and watch my elbow. You're going to leave it in the same position, and you're going to open it up and go the opposite way. Okay? She actually, what you saw it, she put one foot and planted it and went the other way, right? Yeah. So this is a representation of her foot and of my elbow right now. This is the line here that stays in the same place as you reflect in the x direction. Does everybody understand that? Mm-hmm. So look, so our answer is dx -3.
Because it reflects over the -3.
Why is that?
Because it reflects, it say which line, and it reflects over the -3 line.
Right, in the -3 direction. Okay? Explain that back to me, Ashley. That's what you understood about what we just went over here. You had this pre-image. It tells us it's a... Speak up loudly, I can hear you. It tells us in the problem that it is a what?
It's a reflection of the
plane of symmetry, right? Line of symmetry. And this is the line of symmetry, right? So what did you do? You flip this image which way? Which way is that? To the left, right?